August 10th, Stock Playbook. Just a sample of what we do on a nightly basis. Again, you can sign up for a free trial on our website, www.thestockplaybook.com. I'm getting emails. What do? What do I do? Stay out of the market. This is not a market to invest in. I've said that the last few days. This is a market to trade. If you don't have the ability to be sitting in front of a machine all day long, i.e., you have a job and you just check in every hour or two, this is not a market you should be playing. This is for the big boys, and even they're getting run over. The Dow Jones was down 519 points today, 4.6%, but yesterday's low held. The NASDAQ composite dropped 101 points, 4.1%, but yesterday's low held. And the S&P, the market we look at and trade all day with the E-minis, down 51 points, 4.4%. Tonight on our site, you have to sign up. You get a free trial. We have an instructional video how to trade the S&P E-mini contracts futures during times like this. I recommend you go sign up if you have any interest in that. But that's really all you should be trading, that or the UPRO, which we talked about the last couple of days. I mean, there's 8 and 10% moves intraday if you want to try to play these things. But again, this market ultimately has a lot more, I think, in front of it in the way of pain. Let them. Everybody's got opinions. Everybody's telling me they're getting crushed. They're losing money. Kramer was a bull. Now he's a bear. The Bears. Dougie Cash was a bear. Now he's a bull. Saying the bottom's in. Nobody knows which way is up. Fact of the matter is, nobody has the slightest clue what is going to happen going forward. All you could do is attempt to trade it. Use stops. Take your shots, make money here, lose money there, or just walk away, stay out for a couple of days, weeks, months. Who knows when this is going to end. We'll let you know when it's time to jump in. Listen to our E-mini video. That's really the best advice I could give you. This is not a market where you should be playing if this is not what you do for a living. And if it is what you do for a living, even then, hey, maybe take a 2-week vacation. I'm taking off next week. But, that's really where we're at. You got to look at the market. There's individual names out there that continue to work, but you're picking 1 out of 500 when you're fighting a tape like this. So you're better off focusing on trying to trade the markets individually or just stepping aside and waiting for a bounce. We got a low yesterday that's holding in. If we could continue to hold that on the S&P, if we can continue to hold that 1100 level, I'll say that maybe we could put in a short-term bottom. Ultimately, I think we still go lower, but in the next couple of days, if we could get a rally, 2-3% rally on heavy volume and still not undercut this 1101 area, then maybe we have something to work with. But French banks, SocGen, Societe Generale, we'll see. But it's tough waters, so make sure you know what you're doing. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.